Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your WordPress plugins and settings, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Identify the plugins you want to back up. Note that backing up settings requires additional steps. For simple plugin settings, check if your plugins have export options. If available, use the export feature to save settings locally. Next, install a backup plugin if you haven't already. Some popular options include Updraft Plus, Backup Buddy, or all-in-one WP migration. Once installed, activate the backup plugin. Access the plugin's settings page. Choose the files you want to back up, including your plugins and uploads. Make sure to configure the backup destination, like Google Drive or Dropbox. Run the backup process by clicking the designated button in the plugin settings. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few minutes. After completion, verify that the backup files are saved in your chosen location. For a more thorough backup, consider exporting your database. Go to the cPanel or phpMyAdmin for your hosting account. Select the database associated with your WordPress site. Click on the Export option and choose the Quick method. Download the SQL file to your computer as a backup. Additionally, consider using a staging site for testing any new plugins. If your site crashes, use the backup to restore your plugins and settings. Make a habit of regularly backing up your plugins and settings. Schedule automatic backups if your backup plugin offers this option. This will ensure your site remains safe and recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.